Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can activate macro control in your iPhone's camera. So this is my iPhone 16 and this do have macro mode in the iPhone 16 wide angle camera. I'll show you how you can get that. So as you guys can see here, this will be the thing visible to you as you guys can see here. So the flower icon will be visible when macro control is on in your case. But if it's turned on, that means iPhone don't need. So how you can get this flower icon or macro control in your iPhone? So let me show you how this works. In your iPhone camera, whenever you are taking a normal photo, you will not see the macro control or the flower icon. So whenever you're taking the photos of close objects, your iPhone will turn on the macro control. As you guys can see here, this yellow flower is auto generated by Apple's iPhone camera, right? So now how you have turned on, so how you can turn on, jump to iPhone settings, and in the settings you will see iPhone's camera option there, right? Swipe up all the way down and you will see macro control there. So turn this option on. It should be on in your case by default. So turn this option on and you will get the macro control. You'll not always seeing the macro control button here. You will just only checking the control button when you're just taking the photos of close objects. So you can manually turn it off or turn it on. That's a simple fix. Hope you guys find this trick helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.